Hello Capri clients. Today we want to use this time of lockdown to explain to you the difference of Basecoat, gel base coats and rubber base coat. We feel it's very important that you are aware what we use on your nails and why we firmly believe that you will be able to go through lockdown without any breaks or chipping or peeling of your product. At Capri, our main objective is always to help you to grow your natural nail. Our mission is to achieve the desired length on your nails without us having to extend them with glue and plastic tips that are often so detrimental to your nails. Now, to achieve this goal at Capri, we invested in the GLAMPRO Rubberbase. And it has got completely allergen-free properties. With this rubber base, we are able to do much more than just apply a base coat. We actually reinforce your nail by applying an arch in exactly the right place on your nail to prevent this nail from flipping up or cracking down, and also the unique formula helps that your polish will never be able to peel. You will also never get lifting. Clients, gel polish base coat has only one purpose on earth, and it is to hold color. But rubber base is a builder gel that is very unique and that will literally marry your natural nail and it will not be able to separate. Some of our clients can go 6 to 8 weeks without having any breaks, chipping or cracking or lifting. Surely you will need a fill. At the moment, my regrowth is quite bad. This is already 6 weeks. So I will need a fill, but that very fragile free edge of your nail will stay protected and preserved until us at Capri can shorten your nails again and fill them. We wish you all the best during this lockdown. Yes, we miss you terribly. We can't wait to get back to work. It was great chatting to you and all of the best. Stay safe.